To animate text in After Effects, start by opening the program and creating a new composition with your desired settings. Add a text layer and type out your message, then reveal the text layer's properties by clicking the arrow next to it. To create a simple animation, set a keyframe for the opacity at the beginning of the timeline with the value at 0%. Move the playhead forward a few seconds, change the opacity to 100%, and After Effects will automatically add another keyframe. For smooth animation, select both the keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard for easy ease in. When you preview the timeline, your text will smoothly fade in. Once you're satisfied with the animation, export your project to save your work and use it in your videos. That's it for episode 1 of learning After Effects in a most easy way. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, comment your suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Till then, I will see you in the next video.